Welcome to Focus English with Cece.
Hi, friend. Welcome back. Have you ever waited for a bus that just never comes on time? In today's video, you'll hear a real conversation at a bus stop. It's simple, natural, and full of useful English you can use every single day. Stay with me until the end, because we'll not only listen to the story, but also learn powerful words and patterns to make your English sound more natural. Let's go!
Good morning. The bus is late again.
Morning. Yeah, it's always late on Mondays. At least the weather's nice today.
True. A sunny morning makes waiting a little easier. Are you heading to work?
Yes, I work at the bank downtown. You?
I'm a teacher at the elementary school nearby.
Oh, nice. That sounds like a rewarding job.
It is, but sometimes it's exhausting. Kids have so much energy.
I can imagine. Do you take this bus every day?
Mostly, unless I oversleep. What about you?
Same here. It's convenient, but unreliable.
Exactly. I wish the schedule was more accurate.
Speaking of schedules, are you always this early?
Not always. Today I had to prepare a big lesson.
What's it about?
Science experiments. The kids love them.
That's great. I used to enjoy science at school, too. What was your favorite subject?
Math. I like solving problems.
That's cool. I struggled with math, but everyone has their strengths.
True. What do you do at the bank?
I'm in customer service. It's challenging sometimes. Dealing with people isn't easy.
Definitely. Some customers are impatient.
I know that feeling. Parents can be demanding too. So, we both need patience in our jobs.
Absolutely. How long have you worked there?
5 years. And you?
7 years teaching.
Wow, impressive. Do you ever think of changing jobs?
Sometimes. But I like the stability.
Makes sense. I feel the same about teaching.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 2 stops away. You?
I live across town, so this bus is essential.
No wonder you're always here early.
Yeah, I hate being late, and sometimes the bus is so crowded, there's no seat at all.
I know. Standing all the way downtown is exhausting.
By the way, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I might go hiking if the weather stays nice. How about you?
I'll probably visit my parents. It's been a while since I saw them.
That sounds lovely. Oh, here comes the bus. Finally. It took forever today.
Let's hope traffic isn't bad. Fingers crossed.
Hopefully. It was nice chatting with you.
Same here. See you tomorrow.
Great job following along. Now, let's look at some of the most useful words and phrases from this conversation. These are simple, natural, and will help you sound more fluent. Unreliable. meaning not able to be trusted. Accurate, meaning correct or exact. Patience, meaning the ability to wait calmly. Rewarding, meaning giving satisfaction. Exhausting, meaning very tiring. Impatient, meaning not willing to wait. Demanding, meaning needing a lot of effort. No wonder, meaning not surprising. Punctuality, meaning being on time. Stability, meaning not changing much, steady. Fingers crossed, meaning hoping for good luck. It took forever, meaning it lasted a very long time. Are you heading to? Meaning asking where someone is going. Do you take every day? Meaning asking about a routine or habit. What do you do at? Meaning asking about someone's job or role. Do you live nearby? Meaning asking about someone's home location. It was nice chatting with you. Meaning polite way to end a conversation. Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.